Hi, I'm Mike from Mike's Vet Mods, and I want to show you all my clear engine cover. So, as you're aware, if you have a convertible, this is what it looks like from the factory. Kind of plain Jane, can't see the engine. So I'm going to do a quick install video on this set. This is the version of our clear engine cover that I call the window version. Just has a window in the middle. Some people like that better. You can see the engine, intake cover, but nothing else. And it's fully insulated, both pieces. Okay, so now we're going to get to the video of the installation real quick. As you know, this is the engine cover that comes on the car. You can remove this cover and do whatever you want with it. I already installed our custom painted intake cover. I'm not going to reinstall it, it's a little repetitive, but I'm now going to show you how the new engine cover goes. The bottom piece just slides in here like this, and you line it up. Use the same holes that the factory cover came with. The back piece falls in, again, same exact holes. Of course, this intake cover was made to go with this set, and this is all available on my site. And I'll show you real quick what the fully clear version looks like. Okay, this is the fully clear version. As you can see, it's also insulated. It's the same piece. It goes on in the same exact way. This is my original cover. It's been on here over a year. And this is the back piece. Real simple, put all your screws back in. We added a screw here that you do have to make a small hole, 7/64 hole, just to hold the front down. Put all the same screws back in and you're done. You can find all this on our website, mikesvetmods.com, or call me direct. And if you see the phone number here, you can call me direct. These are all custom painted and custom graphics to order. Thank you.